Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and you're here recruiter for ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is quite a little bit different. I got a friend mail from my friend Char's Fashion Nation. Well, interesting. It was supposed to come yesterday on the 17th, but it came on Friday the 18th. So I decided to go ahead and just, show you guys what I got. Shars is such a lovely person. She's so sweet and everything else. And I'm just, I really enjoy her company when she's all positive and doing her goofy stuff. And I truly love her as a friend. But let's get into it. So I opened the box and it was in just a normal size US, the priority mail. My cat decides to completely take over it. When my cat sees boxes, they kind of like, hurry up, mom, let me get it, and then boom. But box is not important or anything like that. She gave me two dresses. She made two dresses, and everything. So it's also she gave me a bag. I had won a giveaway a couple of years ago from her, and everything happened. But I'm gonna show you this dress. I'm gonna show you the dress, what the dresses looks like, and everything. So prepare for that. But I'm gonna show you. This is a really cute dress. Look at this. It's cute, beautiful. So, I told her what my style was. My style was dresses. I don't like really short dresses. I like dresses a little bit above the knee or below the knee, and I like them flowy. If they're any kind of a bit short, I have a pink dress. If I ever, ever show you, like the dress I'm wearing is like to my knees, but it's like beautiful. I love it. But with dresses for me, I like them a little bit. I don't mind long dresses. I don't mind them. But I like them mostly like halfway between my feet and my knees. I don't know how you call that. Mid. I don't mind like short dresses, but I don't like really short dresses. Like you can really above the knees. I don't like that. I am very modest when it comes to that. So I'm just like, yeah, and I have a big butt. If I get a dress that's supposed to be my size, it will look like really small on me, and I'm just like, no. So I go with like a up thing, and I like to flow it anyway, and I don't like to show my butt. I have a big butt. Okay, I got a big butt. But this, oh yeah, so let you guys know what and then the dress. I don't have strapless dresses, and this one she did strapless. Like I don't, and she gave me a piece of jewelry. It's kind of rare that I wear jewelry. It's just not something I wear. I already said if I'm going to wear any jewelry, it's going to be my wedding ring. But that's just me. But the jewelry is so cute. That's not what the jewelry looks like. It's cute. It's not something like I said, with jewelry I don't wear a lot with. It's really, I'm going to show you. Dress. This is what the dress looks like. It's really pretty. I like the lace, and it's red, and like I don't have that kind of dress like this. So it's really cute. So I'm very excited to try these on and show you guys. So I'll be right back. First dress, I like it. Like I like the back is really cute. I like this. Like it's nice, perfect for the summer, to spring, to summer to fall. I think this is like a good like fit thing. I don't know if you can see what it looks like on the knees, but it's like a little bit below the knees, right at the knees a little bit, which I do like. So this was what, and I mean the fabric feels nice. I like the fabric. I like how it, I don't know, like I like it has flowy right here. I have a long torso. It's like right here to here. So I have like long torso right there, always have. But you can see me the butt. I have a big butt. Like I think I lost a little bit of weight, but that's just whatever the case may be. But I do need to tighten this up. But you know what? It's okay. But yeah. So I'm gonna show you the second dress. Now the size of the dress is fine. I mean the length of the dress is fine. How come I have to hold this up? If I don't hold it up, it's gonna go boom. Like it will go just stop right here. So it's a little bit big, which is fine. My sister can actually fix that. Um, it's really cute. I like it. I mean, I really do like the fabric thing. I don't have a dress like this anyway. Like I said, I don't have a strapless dress in my collection, but it is a little bit too big. I don't have a, as you see on the first one, I don't have a big bodice like this right here. I don't have much of a like. This is how much. I'm like, okay, my sister can fix that. Um, I love handmade stuff anyway. I love when people put their time and effort in it, and just this is something I would wear. Like this is a really cute dress. I like the flow of it. It's really cute. I like the flow. I like flowy dresses anyway. I like yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna make sure it doesn't fall off or anything like that. But it's really cute, and as you can see, I'm trying to. But yeah, I'm wearing a bra, so that's that. But yeah. Okay. Like I said, the dresses are beautiful. I do enjoy them. I like the first dress with the pattern. I really do like that one. I like how the back just goes like the back out. I like that kind of. I think it's a cute little way of different of selling and everything. But like I said, I really appreciate Shar. Thank you again, Shar, for making and sending those for me. Those are really cute. I do um, and thank you, Shar, again for sending and making those beautiful garments. I love you. Bye.